know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Hindi niya alam. Pwede na ba, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Shami. This is your third year collaborating with Shami. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having, being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB natin and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na kami sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13 and namin dito na tayo sa 15. So, talagang hindi po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Titan Tough po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin na mag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madala yung struggle sa amin yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami sa matibay na tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung balibag ko dyan, di ba sa Titan Tough.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Tagal na po namin magkakasama, pero 10 taon na po kayo magkakasama. And now, we have established our own company that's called One Zero Entertainment. So, katulad ng Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough na SB19. Ilang taon na pagdaan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are gonna share photos with us. And why are your favorite photos, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
First photo.
Ito pong photo, aking photo. Nakilala na po ako sa card kasi kamukha na po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda pa ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity pa din yung photo. So, yeah, may shape. Tapos yung cat para sa akin parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling na binibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo.
Napaka-sentimental naman niya, guys. Let's see the next photo.
Another animal. Ako po.
Okay.
Ako yan.
That's talaga kayo,
That's
no?
my selfie, guys. Grabe yung nagagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakita lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang catch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zinong ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Napakaganda ng selfie mo. Diba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo yun, diba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicture ko yung dog niyo.
Okay. Can we see the next photo? Hindi na ano lang, guys.
Yan naman po sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang gusto ko yung photo ito. And yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this, like, gaya na sabi ni Steffi, i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo.
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako, and outdoor siya sa kanina, while we were having our lunch. Parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicturean ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature na Redmi Note 50.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, yung pinicturean ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nagbo-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus, focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment mo na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So medyo clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumabo. So ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly Titan Tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing.